These guys doing some UK dubstep. I've ended up coming up with this. This little bit. Cool, so let me start you off with this part here. Then you've got the mid here. I'm going to stick a clipper on that because it could sound a bit chunkier. Bit of EQ. These top bits that we don't really need. Cool, and then with the beat. So the idea for this sub and mid is make the sub, keep it sine wave, keep it simple. Once you've made the MIDI clip and everything, copy the sub, but then drive it. Don't do anything else just yet other than a sine wave. Drive it, cut the bottom frequencies out. You can even have a gap between like the sub and the mid, and there's like a gap, but then you can like compression and clip and like refilter, bounce to audio, more whoops, more distortion, much as you want. Cut out some horrible frequencies, and then when you come and play it on the sound system, you should have the clean sub for all that power, but then on top you've got the mids, but it's like the Fletcher Munson curve that Virtual Route was talking about the other day. Suggest you watch that if you haven't watched that, about like frequencies, like talking frequencies and stuff, how the human ear developed to hear them more prominently, so you've got to dip it out, if that makes sense. That mid bass there is actually bounced to audio, but like I say, it was just the same thing. Big long release time. It's just a sine wave with distortion, filter, clipper, layers of things like this. Then what I did was I got it again. Talk about these basses first, these little energy pocket. This was a noise bass, and it will be in the preset pack. We've got the infiltrator on it. Then this one is the same thing, but we put the LFO on it. And at the same time, we need to maybe go this way with it. So again, it's what I was just talking about. This is the sub, and it's a sine wave. Filter it down a bit more, make it extra subby. Sub. Do you see what's going on? It's the same thing, but we've got this filter here because I've stuck a load of another filter here like that. Just drive, overdrive. Let's try some reverb. Cool. So then you've got same again, clean sub. You can mono your sub. Then the mids, you can spread them. And I've recently been thinking of it like electric guitar. You're going to put reverb on the mid, distortion on the mid, filter like a wow on the mid. Don't treat it like a bass so much once you've got your sub. Cool, so the next bit was I copied a bunch of these audios from this bit, but then we've stuck the infiltrator on it, which give it the wub. Bit of variation, and then a third one. Lo-fi machine. I'm just trying presets at the minute, because like the snap heap by kilohertz, and you can also use the effects from Serum on anything now. and you can use this. Bit too crazy. Bit too mental. Cool. Also, that sub there from the Visages video. This is in the pack, so jump on it. $20, 40 sounds. I know there's only 4 sounds. Oh, these are in February actually, guys. You're gonna have to wait for these ones. Jump on it in Feb for this sound. There's 40 cool sounds this month. Serum 2, Serum, and Faceplant. Plus we're bringing Vital back. Okay, a bunch of mids and stuff. We've got some Vital there. Serum 2. Okay, now the drums. I've left the kick out of it, but the drums, I've been using the transient, like blunting it again. Maybe that's too much sustain though. Let's have a listen. Looks cool, so I'm just trying to round off the spiky transients. Put a clipper on there as well. And then like you can go into the snare group. I've got a bunch of stuff on there. I've got stereo, wider, transient shaper here, making it sharp. Got a bit of reverb, distortion, air. That's just taking the bottom end out. It's a bit thick. Ring mod. Bit of EQ to clean up the muddiness. And then this focus snare. Any good? This is one I found in Infiltrator. The kick is actually 2 kicks now. Anyway guys, I'll see you next time.